Hey y'all, for today's recipe I'll be showing you guys my absolute favorite Southern style green beans with smoked turkey wings and bacon as well. If you want to see the recipe, be sure to stay tuned. Also subscribe if you're watching Island Vibe for the first time. Like the video. Without further ado, let's begin. First thing first is the bacon. I'm using bacon and I'm using smoked turkey wings as well. Now we're going to cook the bacon. Here you're looking at the bacon. I always place it in a cold pot or cold pan before I start cooking it. So like I said, we're using bacon and smoked turkey wings as well. So this is my smoked turkey wings. I'm not sure this is it right here. Okay, so I'm using about how many pounds? I'm using about almost 1.5 pounds. Okay, so this is it right here, and we're going to cook the bacon. I'll see you guys in a few. Alright guys, the bacon is nice and ready. You can see how crispy it looks. Okay, so now I am going to remove it. I won't throw away the grease because I need it for flavor, so we're going to save the grease. Well, I'm gonna add the onion in there as soon as possible, but we don't need that much bacon because we're using turkey as well, so this small amount of bacon is just enough for flavor. All right, now I am going to add in the onion. Okay, I have a good amount of onion because I love the oniony flavor right here. I'll just add that in here just to fry it. Then I'll add my minced garlic because I don't like to add the garlic first. In my opinion, it'll burn because it's really nice and thin. So I'm adding the onion first. By the way, this is the bacon grease that we used earlier. I'm frying the onion in. Next, I'm using about a teaspoon of minced garlic. Okay, that's going in. And now I am going to add some stewed tomatoes. Add my tomatoes in. Now I'm going to add my smoked turkey. Okay, now the smoked turkey, I rinsed it with water before I added it in here. So I rinse it with water first. Just place your smoked turkey in there just like that. Next, I'll add my my chicken broth in. Okay, I want the smoked turkey to be nice and tender. So this is my homemade chicken broth that I made. Just pour that in here. Now it's time to season it. I'm adding some butter. I want it to be nice and buttery, so I'm adding about 1 stick of butter in. I'll add half first, then I can add the rest if I need more. So let's just go for half of a stick. Half stick going in. And now it's time to season it. Okay, you have to be generous when you season your your turkey or the broth. I'm going in with onion powder. I have some poultry seasoning going in. I am going in with Tony Sachier's Creole seasoning. Next, I'll be adding balsamic vinegar. Now you can add just regular vinegar, but I like the zesty. I like the sourness a bit, so I'm adding that. Also, I'll be adding some garlic powder. I know there's garlic, but I like to use both. Add that in here. I added my pepper already. Now I'm adding salt. Okay, just a little bit, because all of those seasoning has salt already. Now to balance the vinegar that I just added, I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. A teaspoon of brown sugar. Give that a stir. Now the brown sugar going to basically balance the zestiness of the what you call it, the balsamic vinegar. Okay, give that a mix. I'm going to cover it once my turkey wings are nice and tender. I'll take it out and add the rest of the ingredients, but for now we're going to cover it and let the turkey cook. So now cover it, let it cook on medium low. Okay, our turkey wings are nice and tender. So what I am going to do now is remove the turkey wings, okay? Oh my goodness. Just remove them. They already falling off the bone, so that's a great sign. Just remove them, place them on the side. I'm going to add in my green beans. I'm using frozen green beans. Just add it in just like so. You don't really have to add water to it because it's already frozen, okay? Just add it in. Just like that. Also, I'll be add in my bacon. So now I'm going to cover this on low. I'm going to shred my turkey wings. Now let's shred out the turkey wings, okay? It is nice and tender. Oh my gosh. Just how I like it. I let this boil for about 2 hours, guys. I know it's a long time. Basically, I let this boil for about 2 hours. You see how it's nice and tender? Okay, just how I like it. Oh my gosh. All right, just remove the bones. I don't need the bones, so I'm gonna throw away the bones. I'm not a big fan of bones. This is what you have once you shred out your turkey. It is full of flavor, guys. When I tell you this one, this turkey has lots of flavor. All that broth, I didn't boil it separate. Usually I do, but this time I chose to boil it together, and let me tell you, the flavor on here is to die for, okay? Just shred them just like so. And I'll just pour it on my pot here. Now it's time to add the turkey wings in. Oh my goodness. Let's add that in. I'm going to let that simmer again for another 20 minutes. Let it simmer again. I don't know if you guys can see what's going on here. Can you guys see what's going on here? It's already looking yummy to me. I can eat it right now, but we're just gonna let it simmer once more. Okay, let it simmer. Oh my gosh. That stewed tomato added a great flavor. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, you can see how the green beans change color. Has a nice forest green color. So we're just going to let that simmer until the green beans cook and until the turkey, the sauce penetrate into the turkey meat. Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to eat this, you guys. I cannot wait. All the flavors in there. You can add more stuff if you want. Let me just add some pepper. More pepper going in. Then we'll just let it simmer. And I'll see you guys soon once it is ready. All right, everyone. It looks like our green beans is nice and ready. Oh my gosh, would you look at that? It looks absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to dive in. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Oh my gosh. Are you guys getting a good look? Are you guys getting a good look of this? Oh my goodness. It is nice and ready. Oh my gosh. Green beans with turkey, smoked turkey, my favorite. Oh my gosh. If this is not it, I don't know what is, because this looks absolutely delicious. This is how you make the perfect green beans, okay, with smoked turkey. Thank me later. This is it. Hope you enjoy it, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more awesome recipe like this one. Also be sure to click the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new recipe. All right, guys, of course I have to taste it for you guys, and I wanted to let you guys know I'll be moving soon, just in case. If you guys see me next time, you're probably gonna see me in my new kitchen. So let me just try it. Oh my god, this looks so juicy right now, and it looks absolutely delicious. Look at that turkey. Look at that turkey. Come on, the juice underneath, the sauce. Oh my gosh. Give it a taste. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely delicious, y'all. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is good. Hope you enjoy it. Be sure to give it a like for me, okay? Don't forget, thumbs up so I can make more recipes like this one for you guys. Delicious southern green beans casserole, or green beans with smoked turkey wings. Hope you enjoy it. Subscribe, thumbs up the video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. Yum. Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell if you have not done so already. Give the video a thumbs up. Comment down below any thoughts about this recipe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Yum.